Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Still experimenting with blooming techniques and using things like color shifting folk art, primary elements powdered pigments, and Masterminds turquoise. This happens to be mica powder from my Amazon link under Show More under the video. List number 1, you can find all kinds of stuff. I have pillow paints on the ready, and a 12 by 16 inch canvas, and I intend on using it, and it's going to take me a minute. This is an edge catcher. I've got various methods to catch things. I'm not going to stop now to explain, but I am going to go ahead and grab some lids from cottage cheese containers to prop up my canvas on for right now. Actually, they'd probably work better the other way up, wouldn't they? Probably. So I'm thinking about doing a half black, half white. And I'm just going to pour that black on there. I love the black really a lot. Usually I will put some pillow paint all the way to the edge. I'm just going to go all the way up there and down here, and hope that this is enough this time. Wipe my finger off. I probably shouldn't put the top on that. I'll probably change my mind in a second. I hate pouring the paint away. I really, really do. So I've been saving it, and I have some more. If I really wanted to, it's got black and white and the colors all in it. I'm just sort of let those join together right now. And then turn that sideways. Every time I put the top back on something, it makes me feel like I'm a little safer than I was a moment before. So what I really want, is a whole bunch of this, which is a golden product. It's a fluid magenta. It's extremely expensive, but you can see it turns out to be pretty much almost neon. And I really intend on swiping, but I'm still learning how to do this right now. And I'm going to try and pick the colors I didn't get in last time. Shouldn't put anything on the blank canvas because it's not going to show up. I did make some cell activator out of the magenta. An expensive treat. I've noticed I'm not the only one that's not layering the colors over each other. I'm going to want some green. The green is the green gold. From folk art, and it works really well. I'm almost out of this incredibly beautiful turquoise, but I've got more, a little more. I've been going through this stuff crazy. I did buy the primary elements. It was a fair price, I guess, for what you get, because it's awesome stuff, but it's quite expensive. So I've been happy to start playing with mica powders and pigments of a much less expensive nature. And I think last but not least, I'm going to give myself some of this mango primary elements because it's just fabulous and I can't stop myself. Alright, now I'm going to try and move some of these away. Oh, I didn't put any of that other green in there. I like these two greens together very much. I always think I may have put too much paint down. I didn't use any of that turquoise? Wow. Okay, wow, almost dumped that. That's a lot of paint, or fluid, whatever it is, and I am going to go ahead and put in a nice wide zigzag. Oh gosh, you know what? That wasn't it. That was not the cell activator. So I'm going to do something different. Wow, I think I almost messed that up. I may have actually messed that up. I hope not. We shall see. I'm going to grab an edge catcher, excuse me, a sheet of acetate And I'm going to bring my box over here. That's my to-go container that I've been pouring into. And I'm going to scrape off my card on the edge of the canvas. And hope I can get some of that to go down over the side. I'm going to flip my card. Actually, I'm just going to scrape it off on the edge of the canvas because paint flows to paint, so why not? I need some stuff to fill in a little bit. I want to make sure that I don't grab that black paint again, and I want some of that cell activator right there. And I am going to try my other cell activator right here and right there. And I should probably use a clean card, or at least a clean spot on my card. I'm going to try and risk it and put a little pressure down. And add a few more different kind of marks. I know people wipe their cards off. And I don't mind wiping it off, I just want to use the paint, that's all. That's a lot of black there. I think I'm going to pour that away. I'm not sure yet. I'm not getting the cells that I expected over here. I have a curved card too, I'm not sure where that is. I like the black. Of course I do. So I'm going to temporarily take these away. I should blow in that. I think I will. Hey, that's because I can. That's the name of my first book. It's on the Amazon link under Show More underneath the video. Alright, I'm not so sure about this. I'm not so sure about a bunch of this, but all that means is that I'm allowed to swipe again. Look for a nice clean spot. Cover the spot that I didn't cover the last time. And maybe I'll just go down my edge really quickly because I can. I've got some nicer colors. Now this time I'm going to start to use my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula to knock those colors into that bucket. Not that they're going to stop dripping on me, because they're definitely dripping on me. Let's see if I can be left-handed. For a moment, which I'm not. Oh, I've got some nice things happening here. I got some things I don't want to lose happening. Oh, darn. There was some beautiful turquoise in there that I really didn't want to go away. But it does look like my art, as opposed to anybody else's in particular. I'm going to pull this out of the picture for a minute, bring my lids back and see if there's anything that I want to do purposefully. I kind of want to put a little more cell activator right here. If for no other reason than it's black. All the paint is on the surface, so I have to be a little delicate. If I want something going on. I've got some empty edge down here, and I've got all kinds of paint I can use if I so decide to do that. Whoop, look at that, all kinds. And I suspect it will sell up nicely because I'm agitating it with my finger. Plus, I'm going to let some of it fall off, even though I don't really want to. It does stretch out the cells really nicely. It's really cold out here today, so paint is moving kind of slow. I apologize for that. I am just going to let that slowly fall over the side with a little bit of help. Scrape off the excess again. I like my paint pan. It's composing with tilts. I got so many things I love that I really don't want to see them go. I really love this, I love that, I love this. And I don't mind the spots that aren't, you know, completely celled up either, but I think I could probably make some cells as soon as I want to. I have some gray and I'm not really minding it, but I'm thinking the possibility exists that I might do something with that also. I can add some of my pink. I'm just nudging the bottom of this. And then I'm going to take it and put it right next to it, so it helps the other paint fall down. I will touch up my edges because I have obviously abandoned all sense of what I'm supposed to be doing, and I'm doing it my way again. I got quite a few things I really should be trying to touch up my edges. I think I'll do that after you guys are gone. I like this black up here, but I want to swipe it so bad. I just don't want to ruin any of the things that I've got in there. I think what I'm going to do is use my swipe card. Oh, that one's all schmutzed up. I'm not going to use that swipe card, but I've got others. And I'm going to grab there. I'm a little happier with that. I probably could have used some white in there too. I'm going to use the paint that's on my card to cover my edge. I'm actually going to pick up some more paint right from in my pan of leftovers. Cover my edge so I don't have to keep tipping. Plus, I've got all kinds coming down right next to the spot I need covered. You might get a coating of the white paint. It's very sticky. I know, I'm not doing it the way I'm supposed to. At all. Really. But somebody's got to experiment, right? Might as well be me. One good thing, at least I haven't torched yet. I'm going to grab a little similar paint color and just let it apply itself by starting down that edge. I don't mind that, but I want gold. I didn't get enough of that pink either. Might have used too much paint. Still experimenting. There, I don't mind that at all. That's cool. I'm getting closer to what I want. Someday I'm going to do a bloom. An actual, real bloom. I'm taking a chance digging that skewer in there, because I know the white, once the white comes up, there's no stopping it. It's going to swallow everything. My timer says 42 seconds. I'm guessing that means I'm almost done. I love you guys. There's 85,000 of you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching the videos longer. I really appreciate that. It's the only thing the YouTube algorithm knows to help keep me here at YouTube. And revenue is down 2/3 for 3 times the work, and I really appreciate you guys who are still watching. I hope you continue. Trying to find some more colors for my edges or my top right there. I've got 2 minutes to tell you whatever I'm supposed to tell you, and I'm ultimately distracted by all this paint. I can't focus for nothing right now. Please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate all the comments and contributions. You guys leave me great comments, and the contributions help me keep painting and have done so for a while, and I really appreciate that very much. Thank you. If you are looking to become or have continued being a studio contributor, there is a monthly contest for studio contributors on the end screens. An end screen video. The end screen video is an exhibition video. I'm liking some of that. I'm liking a lot of it, but I want some more white over here. It's an old trick of mine. I wonder if I can get away with it. Yes, I can get away with that. I love you guys. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, inviting you to find PayPal or Patreon if you want to help contribute. The prizes are one of 8 paintings, a lesson at the house in Spring Hill, or one of my 2 volumes of books that you can find on the Amazon link under Show More under the video, which also has my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas, my OXO omelet turning spatulas, and a whole lot of other cool stuff on list number 1. I'm still not sure if I'm supposed to be torching this or not, but I like the effect it has, so I don't think anything's going to stop me from doing it. I have a list. Check my playlists. My created playlists on my channel will show you over 1,000 videos organized by the 100 and also by the genre. There are 12 genre. You guys are going to be gone in a minute, and I'm going to be touching up my edges for a while, whatever that means. And no, don't play with your paint after you torch. Can't seem to stop myself. It's consistently a flaw in my character. I love you guys. I think I said that. I know you're going to be gone in a second. I'm hoping that you can see what I can see. And I want the tiniest amount of that salad activator because it's the right color. That was not a plan. Okay. Well, that's not too bad. I'm gonna be happy with that. I will see you guys anon. If I forgot something, watch a different video and you'll find out what it is. There's Facebook groups and clothing under the video on Teespring, and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes, and more will take you to all kinds of stuff